Though Health Minister Kwekwaji Maimenu says Ghana is not out of the woods yet, hence the need for people to adhere to strict protocols outlined, including and especially wearing the mask, washing your hands. Listen.
Fortunately for us in our country, the scientists are yet to tell us why we are dying, why we are not getting severely critically ill, and why even our spread is not as huge and fast as is happening elsewhere. They have told us basic things that we have to do. So what we have to learn is that we should first of all make our minds that our way of life is going to change for a very long time to come. So we need to begin to advise ourselves that to enable the scientists fight the battle to win, to enable our president's dream realized, we have to change our way of life. If not permanently, at least temporarily, to make us assure ourselves that now we don't have such problem with coronavirus. It is not killing us that much, but we are all scared to the bone marrow. Why? Because it is spreading, and we don't even want people who have been tested positive to get close to us. Yes, because we may be infected. So I'm only going to talk about the few things we need to do to allay this. The president, on several occasions he has spoken, continues to advise that if you don't have the thing very, very critical seriously for you to do, please stay at home. So this are still, after several weeks, several speeches by the president, we are still not listening. So some will just come out, no matter what. And they have told us that the disease has no legs. It moves from person to person. So if you don't stay in your home and you come out and you have it, you hit somebody else. If you don't even have it, it is likely you pick it from the streets and take it back to your home to infect others who are there. So why are we not staying at home? At the workplace, we have been asked that don't let all your staff come to work at the same time. Some companies are allowing people to stay home for 2 weeks, then they will change like a shift system so that they will get space to observe social distancing. In banks, companies that are making huge monies have accepted that let some of our staff stay at home. What is the implication? It is reducing productivity. Their revenues are going down. But they have agreed to observe that. So those of us who come out just to a chat, to sit somewhere and do kokonsa, why can't we stay at home?
So let's give you a breakdown so far, the figures we have. 2,719. 2,719, that's the latest figure of total confirmed cases in Ghana. Let's quickly take a look at the regional breakdown. So the map gives you an idea. Greater Accra is leading with 2,332. Ashanti region has 124. Eastern region has 94. And the Central region has 38. A quickly escalating record there. The Volta region has 30 cases so far. OT has recorded 23. The Western region has 21. We actually understand that the figure at the moment is 23. But yes, this is the latest you have on the GHS website. Upper West region has 19 cases. So let's take a look at the Upper East region that has recorded 19 also. The Northern region has 3. Western North has 4. The Northeast region has 2. Northern has 13. Western North has 4. Northeast has 2. Well, the good thing is that people are recovering. People do die, but the good thing is that the number of people that recover across the world we have seen are usually higher than those who die. So total recovery is 294. We're told that 294 people have recovered. Unfortunately and sadly, 18 people have died. And none of us want to be a part of the statistics. That's why we should listen to the health minister. Stay at home, wear your mask, wash your hand frequently, as much as possible. And if you need to use the sanitizer, do go ahead and use it. I'd love to hear from you, for those people especially who are in areas that are now recording cases, for example in Takwa or any other place. For those of you even in places where there are no cases, I'm wondering how you feel right now and what authorities are doing in your area to make sure that it doesn't get there in the first place. Let me hear from you and let's share our thoughts with the rest of the world as we have this conversation. Away from that,